Welcome on into another video. Today's a very special day because I just did a photo shoot for 425 Business Magazine's 30 Under 30. This is a huge honor to be able to do this. I've never really been in a magazine before, and the whole article is going to cover pretty much the top 30 entrepreneurs in the east side of Washington State, primarily in the Bellevue, Seattle area, and people that have just done exceptionally well in their field. Of course, Iris submitted me talking about our recent reality TV show that we did. Also, she mentioned my Amazon FBA business that I've been doing for over 5 years now. And the number one thing I can recommend to anyone watching this behind the screen right now is to stay consistent. I knew when I started my YouTube channel, I'm not gonna get a ton of views, I'm not gonna blow up right away, but it was just seeing 1 or 2 or 3 views pour in that made me excited to know someone out there was watching. If you're just touching at least one person's life after them watching a video, that's really the big goal, and what gets me fulfilled at the end of the day too is really just seeing people comment and say, wow, Luke, like, you helped me with this, you showed me your goal board, you showed me your journals, and that helped me lose a lot of weight. A lot of times people hit me up and say I helped them in other areas of their life that wasn't even business related. So just putting yourself out there, staying consistent even when things get tough, and focus is really hard to come by these days in this high distraction type of world. So I'm really proud and thankful for being able to be in 425 Business Magazine's 30 Under 30. Big shout out to everyone who put that magazine together, and especially to all my friends and family that have supported me throughout the years. My grandparents, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister. I've really had a huge support system from all my friends and people that I could go talk to when I'm going through tough times. They've always been there for me, and that's all I want to conclude this video with. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you later. Peace.